I'm Chip and this is Lynn. We live in Southern California and we just put 3M window film on our house. We own a company called Foose Design in Huntington Beach where we build cars. And you know, the cars definitely have to have window film, get the tint as well. But you know, if it's good for your car, it's better for your house.
And I'm the CFO, so if it keeps my costs down, I'm all about that. The summers in California are very, very hot. So now we don't have to pull down the window shades from 4 to 6 every night to keep the sun off the furniture and to keep the house cooler. My experience with the installers was really easy, carefree. They were very fast, very efficient, but for me, the clean freak, they were very clean too. So you really couldn't tell that anything had been done.
Except for the windows being clearer because the old film had kind of a haze on it.
Had a haze.
That was the first thing I noticed when I looked. I thought, did they replace the glass too?
Right,
No,
right.
It looks fantastic.
It looks great. The installers were clever enough to think about my wine room, and they went ahead and applied the 3M Thinsulate to the windows of the wine room, which kept the cold air in, and I was amazed. It was cooler, probably like 10 degrees cooler than it was the day before. It was very exciting to not have to take up the AC with the Thinsulate on the windows. Now I understand why people would want to use window film, specifically 3M. I was so impressed with the product, the application, to be able to have your house cooler and know that I save a lot on my power bill. I mean, it's a win-win.